Welcome to video 5 in the 2017 Keystone Review Series. This one looks at the slope and linear equations questions from Module 2. Question number 1. The table below shows a pattern in the cost of online data storage for different numbers of terabytes of data stored. The pattern continues. Which equation describes the pattern in the cost of online data storage? How would you approach this one? I would calculate the slope or test some values in the given equations. The slope is 75 over 1. Remember, it's change in y over change in x. If you test x equals 4, the only correct answer is D. You can also see that the slope in letter D is 75. That's the coefficient of t. Did you get that one? Question number 4. A function of x is graphed on the coordinate plane below. So which equation describes the function? How would you figure out the right answer? I would find the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is 2/3 and the y-intercept is -4. That's where it crosses the y-axis. This information eliminates all but A. How'd you do on that one? Question number 5. A student completes math problems at an average rate of 2 problems every 5 minutes. At that rate, how many math problems does the student complete in 65 minutes? Your strategy? I would use a proportion. By setting it up like equivalent fractions, then solving using cross products, we get x equals 26, which is choice B. This one should have been pretty easy. Question number 6. Sonya is baking cookies. The table below shows the relationship between the number of batches of cookies she bakes and the cups of sugar she uses. Based on the relationship shown in the table, how many more cups of sugar does Sonya use to bake 9 batches of cookies than to bake 3 batches of cookies? Strategy? Think about how much sugar Sonya needs to bake 9 batches of cookies. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, so she needs 20 1/4 cups of sugar for 9 batches. But we need to find out how much more sugar 9 batches is than 3 batches. So we need to subtract. Then we see that choice C is the correct one. Be careful. Notice that choice D is the sugar for 9 batches. You may want to read the question one more time before answering. Are you learning strategies? The questions can be tricky.